Hi guys, my name is ANONYMOUSINGER11 and I'm doing an unboxing video of this new product, Apple iPhone 7 Plus. iPhone here, iPhone, the Apple logo on the top. So it includes the iPhone 7 Plus, earpods with lightning connector, lightning to headphone jack adapter, lightning to USB cable, and USB power adapter. So let's try to open this. Remove the plastic first. There we go. So this is the box, and let's now open it. So designed by Apple in California. There you go. There's the phone. Wow. So let's set that aside. So these are the earpods, lightning to headphone jack adapter, lightning to USB cable, USB power adapter, and this is the phone. The front camera, dual cam, volume control, up and down, and the speaker, charger port. Basically that's it for the phone. So this is how big it is while I'm trying to hold it. There you go. This is an unboxing video of this new Apple product, which is the Apple iPhone 7 Plus. So there you go. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any comment, please write down below, subscribe, like this, and share. Once again, this has been ANONYMOUSINGER11. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.